Ever tried to turn off your phone, but instead, boom, Google Assistant pops up? Yeah, it's super annoying, but don't worry, I got you. So apparently on newer Android phones, especially Samsung, the power button has been hijacked to launch the Assistant instead of showing the power menu. But the good news is you can easily change it back in just a few seconds. Here's what you need to do. First, go to your settings. Then scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. After that, find and open Side Button Settings. Now, look for the option called Press and Hold. You'll probably see it set to Assistant or maybe Wake Bixby. All you gotta do is switch it to Power Off menu. And that's it, done. Now, when you press and hold the power button, you'll get the normal menu to turn off or restart your phone. No more surprise assistant popping up. So yeah, if this has been bugging you, now you know the fix. Try it out and tell me, why do they even change stuff like this in the first place?